Whether inside or outside of the classroom, La Pietra provides their students with the opportunities to explore their passions and discover their purpose.
Emma came to us sort of as a quiet, shy, very kind, polite, friendly young lady. And then she's grown as a person. So it's neat to see her. She's found her voice. She's confident, still a very kind person, thoughtful, but just kind of sure. She has a love for the ocean and she really enjoys being a part of our school community. We have a Kahiao award each year. Kahiao over here at La Pietra, we define it as giving of oneself without an expectation of anything in return. And actually it's always usually given to a junior or senior over the years, but Emma actually received it as a 7th grader. So it's voted on by your classmates and other students, and it's really neat that even at that young age, people knew that she kind of, spoke out for her classmates, spoke up for them to help them, and they noticed her kindness even at the young age. Emma's really doing it. She does it with the swimming, but also I think when she's a La Pietra school delegate for open houses or school events, when she's a big sister for a new student, when she's a class officer, or even when we have our special guest day. She was in their space when she was in 6th grade, being a 6th grade swimmer. So it's nice to have her as a senior kind of come back. And she actually did this last year as well, helping teach the after-school swim program.
I first became a swim teacher in 8th grade, so I really love being able to kind of teach my younger peers those skills in hopes that it'll kind of boost their confidence and maybe spark an interest, whether it be in swimming or in a different water sport. And it's really fun just to have kind of a community with them and build relationships with these girls, because I remember when I was their age, there were definitely older girls that I looked up to, and I enjoyed learning from them, whether it be from like tutoring or from sports. So I really enjoy being able to work with them and being kind of a part of helping them grow in their journey here. Since we're such a small school, if you really have an interest here, there's definitely a club or sport or some other medium that you're kind of able to translate that passion into. You're really able to get to know your peers on kind of a community level. And then having a close relationship with my teachers kind of helps to spark my passions in some of the academic areas.
I think our small community really supports all the students. So they know they have a group of teachers and staff that support them and want them to be successful, and they actually have, the other students want them to be successful as well. If you're interested in learning more about the opportunities our students have at La Pietra, we welcome you to join us at our open house. You can register online, lapietra.edu/admissions.
Brought to you by La Pietra, Hawaii School for Girls.